Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. The main purpose of this video is you can see the oil patch there. The engine suddenly starts leaking a lot of oil. We're not too sure what happened. What we have done before this was to just swap out a taller windshield. So we also vinyl wrap this part into a forged carbon design, where we are gonna do this part later on too. And we have also swapped out the correct cover. So this is the one for the keyless model. We will show you a short bit of how it's being installed. Okay, so we have removed these two panels to access the ignition system here. So it comes with a plastic key. It's an emergency key. There's a magnet configuration inside here that you can stuck it in and then to unlock your seat. Okay, in case of an emergency. As the previous owner lose one of this plastic stick. So in order to duplicate it, it's $20. So we bought a brand new set online platform. It cost us about less than 10. So we gotta install this instead of duplicating one. So in order to take out this metal piece here, there's two bolts. So you just need your Phillips screw, a short one. So we need to remove this brake fluid reservoir in order to have access to these two bolts. So we need a short screwdriver to go in and then just unscrew the two screws out. So after this two bolt is being loosened, so you can actually move this whole piece out. So after some fiddling, we found out that this is one piece. So I have to take out the whole piece and then try to find ways to take this silver piece out. Okay, so in order to have enough room to swap this, we have to remove the front panel and also the dashboard in order to have access to this. We realized that there's another bolt here. That's why we couldn't take out this silver piece. So right now we gotta unscrew this. Okay, and then there's also clips here at the both ends that we need to unclip and take the cover out. Okay, so from here we can see the mechanics. So it's actually a cable where you put this in and then you turn it up. It pushes this cable and stretches it to unlock the seat. So it's a similar concept. You click on this seat button. So all we need to do now is just change this metal piece. Okay, so inside here there's some magnet combination. So without the magnet you basically can't move this. There will be a pin that will be locking in the lever, so you can't actually move it. So you need the correct magnet combination to lift all the pin up. So what we need to do now is just do a one-to-one swap. Okay, so we have covered everything. So what we need to do now is just to try out this, whether it works. So all you need to do is just place the pin in and then it should be downwards. Okay, once you hear the click, your seat is unlocked, so it works. So we can assemble this thing back. So we also bought a new panel, but we got the wrong color. This is matte black, this is gloss black. The difference between these two is actually this hole. As you can see, this one is bigger. This is for the key version, where this is just the keyhole. This one is for the keyless, where you can have the slot to open just now that manual key unlock. So we gotta fit this in, but it doesn't come with the yellow clip. So we gotta transfer them over. All we gotta do now is to just push everything in, all the pin here and the yellow clip. As we can see, it fits perfectly. So it also comes with this cover. It's sold separately, where it should be covered like this inside. Okay, so from my understanding, it's just to put this in first and then just squeeze the rest in. So it should fit perfectly like this. And then you can see the oil level for the CBS. From the observation here, we can see that the left side of the tire is full of oil. We can also see that the oil comes out from the left side, and also from the drip pattern you can see on the left side there's oil, and on the right side there isn't. And even from the main stand you can tell the majority comes out from here. So the good part is we have a observation window here on the left side. So all we need to do is just open this up, fire up the engine and then see where is it leaking before we decide whether we should remove the whole panel or not. Okay, let's put this into work. Okay, so far what we see is we can't tell anything, but we can clearly see oils are coming from this area. So I suspect it's the gasket again. Not too sure whether that's... Yep, it's right. You can see it's leaking from here. Okay, so we gotta remove the whole panel and take out the valve cover and then do a reseal again. So probably another day of work. So we remove the rail and also the top. So now we have loosened all this. So probably we also want to check this hole, see why the pressure didn't being released out here. And we also notice that there's some crack on the air box, so we probably gotta reseal this up. So by the meantime, we just need to remove all this and give way to take out the valve cover. Okay, after we took out, then we realized it's a damaged rubber gasket. So probably we gotta replace this. So right now we couldn't do everything, we just need to wash up everything and wait for the stock to arrive. Okay, so we gotten ourselves a new valve cover gasket. So now we gotta install it back. And then now we gotta put on some sealant, especially on this edge here and the bottom side. And the leakage always happen. And then we gotta cup it back. So we apply the sealant again and boat them evenly. So we left it overnight for the sealant to dry up. So now is the moment of truth to check if the gasket actually works. So we need to start off the bike. So far looks okay. So far looks good. No leakage. We will do a hard rev and see how it goes. So first one to go back is the top. Then we pop back the metal frame or the handrail. And then this tail board. And then this cover. And then we install the rack for the box. Not forgetting to put back this servicing cover. Okay, so now it's done. So finally, we have fully assembled back the bike and ready to go. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.